Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So Friday was a pretty big down day. The buyers did step in at the bottom, and I think we just get that level. But I think the key thing here is the range that we had is technically broken, and we basically just formed another level, which is down here at 13,022. You look to the left, you can see it has been interacted with in the past, so that's a fairly decent level. But I think you need to understand the noise that's going on. So Germany is going into a hard lockdown of approximately a month, so that's more than likely going to impact this at the moment. And then the other thing that you have is you've got the Brexit noise as well. So Brexit noise is positive. There looks like there's a bit of a delay, and then we've got the vaccine coming through in the US, which is starting to be rolled out. So at the moment, you've got a mix of good news apart from Germany going into a hard lockdown. And at the moment, the DAX futures is 0.3 up, so fairly flat. Anyway, if we start moving to the lower time frames, you'll see we're still pretty much in the range. We're in a broader range at the moment. We are below the moving average, and this little inside bar does look like the bottom of the range, but I think I'm pretty much sit on hands until we get a decent break of the range to the upside. Then it's long. Otherwise, I'm looking for a break and a retest of this level to the downside and be looking to chase this gap down here for a short. So at the moment, I'm kind of sit on hands on the DAX. There's a lot going on in the world right now, but my initial reaction at the moment from the hour is looking for an opportunity to sell into this. Okay, so that's kind of my initial reaction, but it's going to be driven by what happens in the US as well, so I'm a little bit cautious about that. So we're going to have to see break below 13,022, retest that and start rolling, and that would give me indication to be short, and I would be chasing 12,510. Okay, and in actual fact, probably rather chase 12,600. 12,600 would be a decent area. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. I don't think, it doesn't look like it's following suit with the US. It looks like it's got its own agenda at the moment. And I think with a hard lockdown in Germany, it is going to impact the economy as well. So it wouldn't surprise me to see this fall a little bit. That's pretty much the one side of it. I think the only other side, which could be a mechanism to look at, would be a break above this intersection here. So diagonal and horizontal trend lines, well, support lines, resistance lines, and that's 13,184. If we get above that and retest it, then you do have a long opportunity brewing, and your long is for the top of the channel at 13,449, and your stop is pretty much below the bottom of the channel. Okay, that's kind of the two opportunities that I see at the moment on the DAX. Anyway, for me personally, it's sit on hands until I get confirmation of this range break one way or the other before looking at it again. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.